If you've ever wondered whether a Firefox extension is safe or secretly malicious, this video is going to help you spot the warning signs fast. Today, I'll show you how to identify malware in Firefox extensions, how to check permissions, and how to remove anything suspicious before it can cause problems on your browser or your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. This is where everything starts, and it's important to check your extensions directly inside the browser you actually use every day. Next, go to the top right corner of Firefox and click the menu button. This is the icon with the three horizontal lines. Once the menu opens, look for extensions and themes and click on it. This area is where Firefox keeps all of your installed add-ons in one place. Now click extensions from the left-hand side. You should see a full list of every extension currently installed in Firefox. Take your time here and look closely at each one. A lot of risky extensions hide in plain sight, so don't rush through this step. The first thing you want to check is whether there are any extensions you don't recognize. Ask yourself if you installed it, if you use it, or if it was added a long time ago and forgotten. If you see something unfamiliar, that is a red flag worth investigating. Next, click on an extension to open its details. Here, you can review the permissions it requests. This is one of the most important checks you can do. A harmless extension should usually ask only for the access it truly needs. If a simple tool is asking to read all your websites, manage downloads, or access sensitive browser data, be careful. That does not automatically mean it's malware, but it does mean you should question why it needs that much access. After that, check the extension source. You want to make sure it comes from a trusted developer or from the official Firefox Add-Ons website. If the publisher looks suspicious, misspelled, or completely unknown, that's another sign you should be cautious. Malware often tries to look legitimate, so always verify where the extension came from before trusting it. If something still feels off, the safest move is to disable the extension first. You can do that by clicking the toggle switch next to it. Disabling it temporarily lets you test whether it was causing problems without fully deleting it right away. If your browser starts working better after disabling it, that extension may be the issue. If you're confident the extension is unwanted or potentially malicious, go one step further and remove it completely. Click the three-dot menu next to the extension and choose Remove. When Firefox asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. This is the best option for extensions you no longer trust. After removing suspicious extensions, restart Firefox. Close the browser completely and reopen it. This helps make sure the extension has been fully disabled or removed and that Firefox starts fresh without loading anything you don't want. As a final reminder, if you ever notice browser changes you didn't make, like weird homepage settings, random pop-ups, slow performance, or search results being redirected, those can also be signs of a bad extension. Regularly reviewing your add-ons is a smart habit that can protect your privacy and keep Firefox running smoothly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to check Firefox for hidden malware settings, unsafe add-ons, or suspicious browser changes in another step-by-step guide.